Hi. So, hello students, welcome to DCA. Today, a general question which has been pouring in. मतलब आप देखोगे Telegram groups या generally when we receive call, or you can say in the comment section, some of the guys who might be preparing for NDA or CDS, generally they quote up, sir, what is the difference between, right, an average aspirant and a serious potential aspirant? That means जिसको आप टॉपर बोलते हो, काइंड ऑफ, राइट, उन दोनों के माइंडसेट में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, राइट? सो व्हाट्स डिफरेंस लाइज, सो दैट दिस इज अगेन द आंसर बेस्ड ऑन द एक्सपीरियंसेस व्हिच वी हैव ऑब्जर्व, वेदर इज CDS, NDA, CAPF, or might be in my JE batches, right? जो IIT JE वाले batches हैं उनमें. So general thing, what I have observed is, right, and I feel this is again on the basis of experience. मैं आपको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझाऊंगा. Like, when exam approaches, let's suppose right now NDA exam has been held around 20 days back. The common aspirant, the average aspirant asks for, sir, how many questions to attempt for? कितने question attempt करना चाहिए? This is the question of an average aspirant. A serious aspirant never asks this. A potential candidate asks, he always thinks, how can I attempt as much as possible? राइट, उसकी कोशिश होती है कि क्या हम 120 में 120 मैथ्स में कर सकते हैं, राइट, क्या हम 100 प्लस कर सकते हैं, मतलब आई विल ट्राई. ही नेवर आस्क कि सर मुझे 70 करना है कि 80 करना है, ये वो सवाल कभी नहीं पूछता, राइट? व्हेन यू आर स्टक ऑन ए क्वेश्चन, द एवरेज स्टूडेंट आस्क कि ये सवाल मुझसे नहीं हुआ, बट द पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट और द सीरियस कैंडिडेट विल ऑलवेज थिंक, इस सवाल को मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ, थोड़ी जल्दी कैसे कर सकता हूँ, एलिमिनेट कैसे कर सकता हूँ. The average candidates always ask for the pick and choose, like, I will do around 60 attempt and hopefully it will be around 50 correct. The serious or the good candidate will never do this. He will never talk about 60 or 70. He will talk about, I have covered around 99% of the syllabus and I will be doing all those questions which can be handy, जो बहुत फटाफट होंगे वो करेंगे और जल्दी करके निकल लेंगे, right? He never talks about कि हमने सिर्फ इतना ही किया है. यहां पे डिफरेंस आता है. दैट्स द माइंडसेट, दैट्स द पोटेंशियल माइंडसेट वेदर यू आर अपेयरिंग फॉर एनी ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. ये बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? वी ऑल आर अवेयर दैट द सिलेबस, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट NDA, इट्स क्लास 11 12 मैथमेटिक्स, द कंप्लीट सिलेबस. क्लास 11 12 ज्योग्राफी, द कंप्लीट सिलेबस इज देयर, राइट? In fact, the history is also there in class 11 12. It's exhaustive, and some people actually discuss about it should be done in 30 days, 40 days, and around 2,000 or 3,000 rupees of course. If you remember, when you are taking the maths classes, the tuition classes in your city, what is the monthly fee? The worst teacher, or you can say that the worst class will cost at least 500 600 per month. Even if to go to the interior of, let's suppose Bengal, let's suppose Bihar, let's suppose Northeast, तो भी लगता है यार. It takes effort to teach. It takes effort to absorb the things. आपको explain करने में effort लगता है. We need to frame out good question. When we put down the test papers, when we have around, let's suppose 60 people enrolled for the test series, right? Those who are enrolled can check it out. At least 30 people will say that कि this type of questions are little bit tricky. ये थोड़ा सा tough हो गया. The good student will always try to think how to attempt that. We have this time in NDA 2021, NDA 1 2021, we are pretty sure that around 17-18 candidates from our academy will be making into the written exam list for sure, right? None of them has asked or complained that ये question थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा tough हो गया NDA के हिसाब से, right? They pen down, they asked question कि sir how this can be done. They try to find out solutions of the question. They don't try to make excuses, right? There are some guys who write down I am getting 340 and I think that I will be able to make it to the list. Congratulations, आप सोचते रहिए. Keep thinking. Did you check out the previous exam results? Had you seen any candidate who has scored 350 below and has made into the list? Even if you score 350, you will hardly get 450 in the SSB if you are too good. If you are too good. And maybe from the the military background or the schools, right? आपके अंदर कुछ चीजें इनकलकेट होगी तो शायद 450 मिले. रिटर्न और SSB में कभी 200 मार्क्स का डिफरेंस नहीं होता, राइट. मोर और लेस दे आर 100, डिफरेंस ऑफ 100 ज्यादा 100 कम होता है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं होता. चेक आउट द रिजल्ट ऑफ द डिक्लेयर्ड कैंडिडेट्स एंड मेक ए एनालिसिस. दोनों में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. Those who have scored 500 in written, they might have got, if recommended, they might have got around 450. They have not got, उनका 600 नहीं आ गया एसएसबी में, right? Those who have got around 340, 345 in written, and if qualified for written, but आजकल तो होता नहीं, they might maximum get around 450 or 480. They cannot cross 500, right? So you have to compete for the total marks, and that's why where you need to maximize your written marks. Because written marks is in your hands. Written का marks तो completely आपके हाथ में है. वो OMR sheet है. There is no manual involvement. In SSB, manual evaluation is involved. It's not the mechanical, the machine से नहीं होता. OMR तो होता नहीं वहाँ, right? It's all manual evaluation, and manual evaluation में you don't know कौन कितना देगा marks. कभी हो सकता है आपने अच्छा किया, marks कम लग गए हो. Interviews में ऐसा होता है, right? चाहे वो कोई सा भी exam का interview हो. Right, but written marks completely lies in your hand. Try to maximize that, right? And nowadays, you have around 2 years for NDA. Let's suppose we prepare 11, 12, right? So it's ample amount of time if you prepare the mathematics at 2 good level. We have the toppers. I already shared our classroom program students who have scored 200 plus in mathematics. They work hard. They try to cover the syllabus. In fact, we in our the three months module, we try to cover each and every topic of mathematics with questions, right? With quality questions. Reason, because we want them to practice the bouncers, right? You need to practice the beamers, how to avoid the beamers, right? Otherwise, if you are trying to make a bio bubble, nowadays the term is in news. I want 70 attempt, 65 attempt. That's it. You are definitely not in the safe side, right? That's the difference between the mindset of a topper and an average candidate. Average candidate will think, okay, इस साल मैंने 50 किया, next attempt में मैं जो है 60-70 कर लूंगा. This is average. You will keep attempting paper and it will be difficult for you to make it to the list of 500 plus or 600 plus score, right? अगर आपको करना है तो try to cover as a whole, right? And synchronize your preparation and don't ask how many to attempt. Attempt as much as you can. Practice as much as you can do. जितना ज्यादा हो सके करें, राइट? और कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ तो सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने की कोशिश करें, ना कि एक्सक्यूज, राइट? कि ये बड़ा टफ था इसलिए मुझसे नहीं हुआ. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड टफ. थिंग्स यू नो आर इजी एंड थिंग्स यू डोंट नो आर टर्म्ड एज टफ बाय यू, राइट? जो चीज मुझे नहीं आएगी मैं कहूंगा ये टफ है शायद. जो चीज मुझे आएगी वो मुझे मॉडरेट लगती है. दिस इज ह्यूमन नेचर, राइट? So this is what I wanted to share with you, right? So our NDA batch is starting from 16th of May, right? And we firmly believe that the content, the delivery and the 3 months module is quite effective. It's around 1600 pages of class notes which you receive as a printed form, and this is a genuine priced batch. It's not like a 100 student batch or 200 student batch of majors like Unacademy etc etc, जहां पे कि डाउट पूछने का ऑप्शन नहीं है. यहाँ पे आप डाउट भी पूछते हो. वेट फॉर योर क्वेश्चन, राइट? तो दिस इज अ 2-way communication, not the 1-way communication, right? And quality needs a backup support, right? And that's why whoever is our maths faculty is involved, they work upon the module, right? So they take out the quality questions, right? So see you in the batch. Thank you. Bye.